6 mythical creatures that exist in real life. Narwhal. Mythical creatures do not only exist on land but in water also, and the narwhal is an example. Known as the unicorn of the sea, this marine animal can weigh up to 4,200 pounds and grow as long as 17 feet in length. The unique character of the narwhal is that they have a long tusk protruding out from above their mouth. The corpse whale refers to how their skin color resembles that of a drowned sailor. The scientific name Monodon monoceros means one tooth, one horn. This water creature can be found in the waters of Canada, Greenland, Norway, and Russia, swimming in herds of 15 to 20. Okapi. At first look, the animal looks like a combination of a few animals, especially similar to zebra. Astonishingly, okapi is closely related to giraffes and is mainly found in parts of the Democratic Republic of Congo. While the animal's legs have stripes just like a zebra, its tongue is long and black similar to a giraffe's. According to some, okapis are solitary animals and would only come together for mating. They also follow hierarchies, where the dominant ones are said to keep their heads up, while the submissive species will bow down their head. They are been considered endangered animals since they are hunted for their meat and skin. Red Wakari. This is species of monkey found primarily in the forests of South America, and as the name suggests, it has a red face. Reportedly, there are 4 species of wakari: red, bald, wakari, the black-headed wakari, the Ayers black wakari and the Neblina wakari. The only difference between them is the fur color and their habitat. It is believed that because of malaria, which is a common disease in the Amazon forest, the wakari has developed a red face. Another unique feature of these species is that they have short tails. As a result, the animal uses its strong arms and legs to jump from one branch to another. The average size of wakari is 45 centimeters in length and weighs around 3 kilograms. They also travel in groups consisting of 10 to 30 individuals. Vampire deer. Deer's most fascinating and recognizable feature is their antlers, but this deer is unique. They are known by their fangs. Instead of a crown, certain species of deer have fangs, and that is why they are famously called vampire deer. Reportedly, throughout Asia, lucky people can spot deer species like tufted deer of southeast China, or muntjacs, which roam India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Taiwan and even the Himalayan mountains. Most of these vampire deer are endangered as they are hunted for perfumes and medicinal properties. Surprisingly, water deer can also be found in the United Kingdom, after the Duke of Bedford took the animal to England in the 1890s. Reportedly, the tusks are not used for carnivorous purposes, only to protect themselves from male deer or other predators. Saiga antelope. This unusual-looking species of antelope had once found in the Eurasian areas, but now they are critically endangered. During warm months, the weird nose helps the animal to filter out dust kicked by other creatures and also cools its blood. Meanwhile, in the cold season, the nostrils heat the air before it travels to the lungs. Apart from the downward-directed nostrils, another interesting feature of the saiga antelope is that it can change its colors. Reportedly, in summer, the fur appears to be yellow or red, and in winter the coat changes to pale, grayish-brown color. As hunting became frequent and their numbers began to dwindle, the Soviet Union prohibited hunting in 1921. Streaked tenrec. The small animal, which is around 7 inches, 16 to 19 centimeters, long, can be found in the jungles of Madagascar. Apart from stridulation, the creature sometimes uses tongue clicking as well to scare intruders. Similar to hedgehogs, tenrec too has spines which are obviously used to defend themselves from predators. Whenever they sense a threatening situation, the animal will make crunch and put-put sounds, while the long hairs on their backs will become stiff, prickling the predator, and then uses the opportunity to quickly run away from there. To survive the cold seasons, streaked tenrec reduced its body temperature to that of the air and remain active at the same time. However, If it gets too cold then it will go underground.